little Pilates workout for 30 minutes. And it's been a while since I've done a Pilates workout because we've been going to the gym, but ultimately my favorite way to exercise is doing like a home workout. So I'm gonna roll up my mat, do a Pilates workout, and then cook dinner after. It's currently 6:35, so that'll take me till 7:05, and then I can cook dinner and relax the rest of the night. It got so snowy today, which you guys would have seen earlier. Like I was in a blizzard. It was kind of fun. I'm not gonna lie. Fun because I didn't have to go anywhere. I was working from home today, but yeah, it was super snowy. I always love a cozy vibe for my Pilates. Like I have my books out because I've been reading Court of Wings and Ruin, and I have my candles on, this giant candle I got from Costco. It's from Sand and Fog, and it was only like $30 for this huge thing, maybe $40, so it was definitely worth it. And then I have that one going, which is a pine candle. So let's do some Pilates.
Let's start seated in a cross. Inhale, reach from you as you round your spine. Let your ribs fall.
That was super good. That was definitely harder than I thought because I didn't realize how out of shape I am after not exercising for the last, I'd say the last time I actually did a workout was probably close to 3 or 4 weeks ago. And obviously I've been going to the gym, so I've been actually working out. So I should rephrase that. The last time I did a strength training workout or Pilates or something that requires any kind of strength, it's been a while. But I went to the gym and did cardio, so my cardio was fine. I wasn't getting tired, but it was my muscles. They just didn't feel as strong as they used to a few weeks ago. So I definitely want to make it a habit to do Pilates nearly every single day like I was before the holiday because I felt really good and felt really strong. And these classes actually got quite easy after doing them for a month. I was like, oh, these classes are getting easier. And I was posting my own workouts as well. And I just felt very confident, strong, and good. And right now I'm like, I could barely make it through that. So we're gonna work our stamina up, our strength up. Stamina's pretty good, but the strength is the thing that's lacking, which it's usually the opposite for me. Usually I feel like I'm pretty strong when it comes to Pilates because I am a dance teacher, but I'm also a personal trainer, and I'm always teaching people strength-based workouts, but I haven't been lately because some of my other work where I used to teach people some conditioning and stretching and flexibility stuff has closed off, so I haven't been doing that kind of work myself either. So I've been trying to force myself by going to Pilates classes or Legree or something like that. So this is good for me. I need this. That being said, I'm going to roll up the mat. I'm going to go cook dinner. I think Steve is still, sounds like he's on the exercise bike. So I'm going to go cook dinner and catch you guys later. Nice slippers. Okay guys, hello. Today it is Wednesday, January the 15th, and it's already 1 o'clock. I lied, it's already 1:30. So I'm going to boogie and do a spin class super quick because I mentioned last night when I was doing that Pilates class that I'm lacking in strength, but I'm also kind of nervous about what my stamina is like. I know that my stamina during the day when I'm doing other things such as Pilates or dance feels fine, but I got to a point before the new year where I had really good stamina during a spin class and I could get through a 20 or 30 minute class. So I'm gonna try a 20-minute one today, not too long, but I'm just changing my watch band because I don't like to work out with this one. I love the look of it and I'll wear it during a ballet class, but I just don't want it to tarnish because it is from Winners and it's only $9.99. So I have a feeling the material is not gold. However, it's held up really well. There's only really one spot where it's also very flexible, which is nice, but there's only really one spot where it's starting to discolor, but the rest of it never discolors on my actual wrist, which is really nice. And that's really good because I'm a sweaty person. So I'm kind of surprised it hasn't done that, to be honest. But like I said, I'm going to switch to my activewear one that the Apple Watch came with, and I need to get changed into workout gear. So let's do that. All right, I've got this top from Popflex and my Lulu leggings. I'm gonna throw my hair up and do a GRWM, I think that's how you say her name, spin class for about 20 minutes and take you guys with me for the rest of the day. It's also snowing so nicely outside. It's really floaty and pretty, like a snow globe. I do teach at 3 o'clock, so that means I have to do my spin class, pretty much hop right in the shower, dry my hair, get ready for work, and then teach online so I can drive into work and be on time. It is recording. I just looked crazy. Anyways, it feels so good to shower after a sweaty workout. I'm going to be teaching in the next 15 minutes, so I thought I would do my makeup on the floor. I was gonna do something with my hair because the other day it really looked nice the way I curled it. I got a lot of compliments and it felt really like put together, but I think I'm just gonna let it sit straight right now, and maybe I'll curl it tomorrow on like the second day of it being clean. So I'll just keep it like this. I'll probably end up putting it in a claw clip anyways later, but I'm gonna do my makeup and get ready to teach. It felt so good to exercise. It's been a long time since I've done a spin class. I did go running on the treadmill, but for some reason running to me just isn't, maybe it's because I'm not pushing myself as much. I can jog really easily and just keep going. I went for like 30 minutes the other day and it was pretty easy. That being said, I changed it up a little bit where after about 15 minutes, I'll do like 12, 3, 30 for 10 minutes. So really 12, 3, 10. And then I'll go back to a light jog. So I'm not really running the whole time, and it does change, but I don't feel as tired and as, out of shape doing that as I do when I do spin or cycling. So that was really good and necessary. I feel really good after that, really good after a shower. I'm gonna do some makeup, just some light makeup before I head into work. And like I said, I teach a class online in the next 15. I've been getting used to my hair and like styling it different ways, like I did the other vlog when I curled it. And it doesn't like stay in a claw clip because there's so many more layers now. So what I have to do is kind of part it like that and put that much in a claw clip, which works out. It actually feels good and it takes a lot of the weight off of my back, of my hair, and it also keeps the majority of it out of my face, which is the most annoying part about having long hair, just your hair being in your face all the time or being in the way when you're like cooking. This length is so much better because it's never in the way or getting stuck in my hands. I remember like I'd be cooking and sometimes I'd have a really long hair like stuck. So I'm really happy with this length, and I'm really happy that I went with this length because it's just so much more manageable for what I do. And as a dancer, I always had my hair up, so I really like being able to have my hair down without it being really annoying, to say the least. But yeah, today's so snowy and pretty, and like I mentioned before, it's just like slow motion snow and it's really pretty. I'm just getting mesmerized in it now. It's like these giant flakes of snow falling in slow motion, like I'm in a snow globe. So pretty, I love it. I work until pretty late tonight, but we don't have much food to take. Like I guess I could take some beans and rice and maybe make a salad and take it with me, but I also could order food. But I've been trying to be good with that because I ordered food on Monday. It's not a good idea to order food 2 times in the week. So maybe I'll pack a salad with me, and then I don't know. I do need to go grocery shopping tomorrow for sure though, and I have to leave early for work tomorrow anyway, so I'll do that before. Here we go. Just going to do a little bit of blush and obviously my eyebrows. Eyebrows really make or break a face sometimes. And with my eyebrows, I much prefer what I've been doing lately, which is just shaving the tip off a little bit more. I need to do that again because you can see they're starting to grow in a little bit more. I just haven't had the time to do that. And yes, I shave them. I do not pluck them. I used to pluck them, but I'm just too lazy and too impatient for that, and I really don't like the feeling. So I've been shaving them with a little like brow razor, not like a regular razor, obviously, just with a little brow razor, just shaving the parts off that don't need to be there, quite frankly. So maybe I'll do that tonight when I get home. I know, what a riveting conversation, guys. I'm almost out of this stuff too, so I need to make an order for more. I just ordered so many more books from Indigo. Well, actually I only ordered 2 for myself, and I ordered a couple for friends and family, but I ordered Phantasma because I've heard a lot of good things about it, and I also ordered, what was it called? Quicksilver. So I'm really excited to get into those because I've heard a lot of good things on Book Talk about them, and I love A Court of Thorns and Roses, and I feel like the people who read that have been the ones recommending it. So romantasy, fantasy, that kind of vibe I'm really into right now. These 2. So Quicksilver, I've been tempted to listen to the audiobook, but I just love reading a book. There's nothing quite like reading and the smell of a book. Also, I was peeking into it because I can't help myself, but it's really cool because it has like the map in the beginning. Just so excited to learn more about this. And then this one I've heard a lot of good things about as well. And it seems really intriguing because it seems as if it's more than just a narrator telling the story. To me, it seems like you're really being taken through almost like a game. At least that's what it says in the back, that there's some kind of competition, or I don't know, what does it even say? Yeah, there's some kind of competition to break a curse. So I'm excited. I'll let you guys know what I think. I think these will be a good read in between while I'm reading the Court of Thorns and Roses series, because I'm on the 3rd one and it's pretty dense and it's pretty thick It's a lot of information. It's a lot of action, which it's quite different than the second one in that sense. I really liked the second one, A Court of Mist and Fury. I liked the romance paired with the fantasy, paired with a little bit of action. I feel like this one's mostly action so far, and it's hard to follow. And the characters are jumping around a lot more. Like, it's still in one narrator, but it's just jumping a lot from world to world is what I'm trying to say. I guess the character that's narrating is jumping around a lot more, but I really like it so far. So let me know if you've also read that series, but I'm going to go log into my class because it's time. Good morning, guys, and today it is Thursday, the 16th of January. I go into the studio today and I was researching different studios last night, and there's a couple of studios that are running like new client deals, and I'm kind of tempted to sign up for yoga for 3 weeks, unlimited 3 weeks for $69, or a Pilates studio that's a new client intro price for $60 for 3 sessions, I believe. So I'm kind of hemming and hawing between the two because obviously the yoga one is like a better deal financially because it's unlimited, so I could go in like almost every day and get more than my money's worth. But the Pilates, like, it looks so cute and so beautiful, and I know Pilates is definitely going to be more expensive than like yoga because there's a lot more equipment. It's a bit more not specialized, but I guess it's more expensive because of the equipment, and it's quite different. That being said, as I mull over these decisions in my brain, I'm gonna make the bed, get ready for the day, and I think regardless I'll do a ballet class because I have to go into work a little bit early today to work on something. So yeah. Okay, so my thoughts. I have so many Squishmallows and stuffies in my bed. And at my house, when I was growing up, we used to have like baskets to hold my stuffies. So I think that's what I'm going to have to do because this is just not sustainable. Half the time I don't make the bed, or I make it halfway because I don't want to have to deal with all this. And I'm not complaining. I love them. Obviously, I love receiving them as gifts and I love buying myself them. Otherwise I wouldn't have so many, but it's taking over my life. So I'm going to have to buy baskets so they can at least sit in that. Because I thought about doing like a net in the corner, but I also want to paint this wall like a different color or do some kind of board wall, something like that. So I don't know, I still have to decide what to do with them, but I think a basket is a good move. Suggest in the comments below what you think I should do, but yeah, I need to sort out these and also the clothes that always end up on the bed, either for me or Steven. So I'm gonna do that and then do some ballet. Okay, time to get changed. So I'm wearing this Leo from Slinger Dance, and the skirt is from Pop Flex, of course. Now I wanted to wear my brand new skirt that one of the dance moms in my studio made for me and sewed for me. However, I do not have a pair of clean tights, so I'm wearing this because I can't wear tights, and these have shorts underneath them, which is so perfect, and pockets, which I love. So I'm ready. I'm gonna throw on my point shoes, throw up my hair, maybe do a little bit of skincare, just wash away my face, but I won't do too much because I'm gonna wash my face after I'm all sweaty, and then do a point class. And I'll probably close out the vlog sometime around here because then the rest of the day is going to be pretty boring. I'll probably be reading, which to me is exciting. But you guys watching, I know it's like cozy and stuff, but there's not much else other than sitting and reading that I have planned for the rest of the day until I have to leave for work. I also have to go grocery shopping, but like I said, I'll close out the vlog here. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and until next time, bye now. Now, tell me how I lose a pair of point shoes. I've been looking all over this morning for them. They gotta be somewhere. But where? Might be a flat ballet class today.